안녕하세요. Chaidamin Dishanda Ibnida. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with an unboxing for you. And today I'm unboxing my BarkBox for April 2018. I will leave all the information down below about BarkBox. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I like the box this month. As you can see, it looks like a treasure chest. Very cute theme. So I guess the theme is going to be like pirates maybe. I'm not exactly sure what's in this box. I've seen those spoilers, so I know nothing. BarkBox, I believe I subscribe to this subscription yearly. So I can't remember how much it is a month for me. It may be like $20. I can't remember exactly. But you can pay for this subscription either every yearly, every 6 months, every 3 months, or month to month. I believe if you pay for a month to month, it's something like $29.99. All the information down below. I can't remember. But as I mentioned in my last video, when I used to do unboxings on this channel before, I was an avid BarkBox fan. I still am, because their products are really, really good. Then I took a little hiatus, and now I am back again. And I do have a dog. My dog is a Shih Tzu. And his name is Romeo, and he's sitting down here right now. He's heard his name. You can see his little head. You heard his name. Come here. Say hi to everyone. This is my Romeo. He needs a haircut. That's going to happen this weekend. He's going to get his haircut because he's looking a little shaggy. So, going to take him for his puppy cut. So, yeah, he's a small dog. My dog is 11 pounds. So my BarkBox is going to be for a small dog. It does come in different sizes depending on the size of your dog. If your dog is small, medium, or large, so you will get toys and treats that are appropriate for the size of your dog. So there is a profile that you fill out on your dog. Also, they have a box for power chewers. So if you have like a Rottweiler or a bulldog or something like that, that like really will tear through some toys, you can get that subscription. I don't know how much that costs either, but I think it's called the Destroyers Club. I think that's cute. All right, you want to get down? Okay, let's get started and open up your box. Okay, buddy? All right, so again, BarkBox, all right? Let's open this up. By the way, BarkBox customer service is awesome. Like, for example, if he does tear through a toy, what's going to happen is I could email them or either send them a text message, and they can replace my toy. So that's awesome. All right, so I'm right. The theme is, dun, 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 it is like pirate. It says shiver me pictures. So here, take a picture with the dog. That's the cute little card there. And here's the other side of the card too. As you can see, it's pirate themed. There's the anchor, the pirate ship, mermaid. I think those are some of the toys you could get in this month. Right? Yeah, that's it. All right, here we go. By the way, I am a member of the Extra Toy Club, so I will always get an extra toy in my box because I have a very active, very playful puppy. And this here says it takes 2 to play. So here's this card here that says it takes 2 to play. And here are some of the items that you might get in your box. By the way, all of BarkBox's treats are made in the USA. I believe their toys are too. And let me tell you something, real talk. Dog subscription boxes, in my opinion, are worth it. Because if I were to buy the toys and the treats like out and at the store, they're so expensive. They really are, especially if you want really good quality toys and that the dog is not going to rip through, and good quality treats that you know that your dog likes and that are healthy for your pet. That's really important to me. To me it is, because I'm really particular about what I give my dog. I've had my dog since he was a puppy. So I've had him about 8 weeks, since he was 8 weeks old. He's 4 years old now. And like I said, he's 11 pounds. And I feed him a certain type of food, give him a certain type of treats. I know he's whining because he's ready for his teeth. He knows this is for him. He's whining right now. You want me to stop talking, right? And just get to the box? All right, let's get to the box. All right, first things first. Yeah, see? Extra Toy Club, that's me. I'm a member of that. And I got a bandana. This is a Bark Beards bandana, Shiver Me Pictures. So you wear, I'm going to put this bandana on my dog. This is really cute. Take a picture next to the BarkBox and hashtag it on the gram, if you will. This is cute, though. It's like a cute little bandana. All right, so that's nice to have. When I take him for to get groomed, there's usually they put a bandana on him. It's really cute. All right, so first thing we have from Sawmill Creek. This is a smokehouse pig ear chew. It is made in the USA. It is BarkBox approved. This is what that looks like. It's something for him to chew on. Again, this right here will be gone in about, I don't know, under an hour. He's gonna go through this in an hour, definitely. We've got a bunch of toys, and I'm so happy. First toy we got in here. This looks like Finding Nemo, but it's not. This is Greedy Gilly. Look at that. Greedy Gilly, right there is his name. Oh, there's a spiky ball inside of him. There's short plush. That's true. Embroidery. So there is embroidery. There's a lot of stitching. And it's plush filled. So this toy is filled with stuffing. This is what Greedy Gilly looks like. Look at that. Look at the detail on that toy. And he's got his little bandana on because he's a pirate. And he's got his eye patch on. Look at that. Hold on. Can I squeak the... Oh! I know. He loves toys that squeak. He wants to get at that. Hold on, baby. You will. All right, here's the next thing I got. What is this? This is... Shh, quiet so we can get through it, honey. This is Body in a Barrel. Looks like that. Looks like that. And let's see. Do you squeak too? Wait, hold on. Let me show you the tag on the inside. What's in him? Oh, he has a spiky ball. He's plush filled, embroidery, and a short plush. That's what it looks like there. And he's in a barrel. This is like a pirate, as you can see, in a barrel. And let's see. Oh. Okay. In 1 second, I will give this to him so he can, otherwise he's going to whine. Hold on. Next toy. Oh, it's an anchor. This says anchors away. Julio. He wants to get at this. Oh, okay. This one has a rope, of course. It's filled with plush, 2 squeakers, and layering. So this one is really durable. Look at that. It's got Dad on that side, Mom on that side. Let's see, where are the squeakers? Oh, one here. Wait, so where's the other one? I can't find the other one. Is it here? I can't find it. All right. Next up, we got some treats. Hold on, I got 2 bags of treats. First treat I got is called Lamb Ho. Looks like that there. This is the other side. And these are lamb dog treats right here. Let me open this up. Made in the USA, of course. Romy, you want a treat? Come here. Come here. Oh, this is what the treat looks like. See that? Like a little piece of jerky. Come here. Sit down. Good boy. He can be picky with his treats sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Like he will, he wants to get at that toy. That's what he wants. He wants to get at that toy. Here's the next thing I got. It's called the Pirate's Jewels, which looks like that there. Here's the other side. I like the packaging. By the way, these treats are made by BarkBox also. There's no koi, no wheat, no soy, no corn. No koi. No corn in this one. Let's rip this open. You want another treat? Come here. Oh, this is what the treat looks like. They look like gold coins. Like treasure. Very cute. Come here. Come here. Come here. Up, sit down. Sit down. You like that? Oh yeah, he's tearing it up. He likes that. All right, so that is everything in my BarkBox. All right, so let's recap right here. We got this here. You want that? All right, take that and go. All right, so this here, these are the Pirate's Jewels. Very cute. The Lamb Ho, lamb dog treats that look like little jerky. He is tearing that up down there. I got the mom and dad anchor. This is the anchors away with the rope on it. So cute. I got the pig ear. I also got, he wants this so bad. What is your name? Greedy Gilly. Greedy Gilly. So cute. The last toy I got was Bob in a Barrel. And these, like I said, these toys are very durable. BarkBox goes above and beyond when it comes to making their toys. Awesome. And then I got this bandana right here. And yeah, that is everything in this box. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks to my new and my old subscribers. I am on the road to 1,000 subscribers. When I reach 1,000, I will be doing a giveaway. I will let you know what that is when I reach that milestone. I love when you guys leave comments and interact with me in the comment section. So go ahead and do that. Do you get BarkBox? Do you have a dog? If you do get BarkBox, what size do you get? Because if you have a small or a large dog, your items will be a lot different than what I have in mine. So go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And I will talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나